This is Dr. Selman. Today I would like to say something about the ovarian reserve and anti-mullerian hormone, which is a good predictor of ovarian reserve. It's a concept that correlates with the number and the quality of eggs available in the ovaries. There are of course different ways of measuring ovarian reserve, such as age first of all, and cycle day 3 FSH levels, antral follicle counts using ultrasound, and also clinically how well your ovaries responded to fertility treatments before. Biochemically, the most accurate predictor of a woman's ovarian reserve today is anti-mullerian hormone test, and it has almost become a standard test used to determine a woman's fertility in IVF centers. The term anti-mullerian hormone comes from the embryologic development, and it's a little bit complex subject, and that's why we name it shortly AMH. AMH is produced by the small follicles inside your ovaries. Therefore, for women with many follicles, AMH is high. As a woman gets older, the pool of eggs decreases and the AMH levels decline. By the time she reaches menopause, it's almost undetectable. On the other side, women with polycystic ovaries have a higher number of antral follicles, resulting in higher AMH levels. You can measure your AMH with a simple blood test, and it's fairly stable during a menstrual cycle. Therefore, a big advantage of AMH that it can be measured anytime during your cycle. An important point about AMH in clinical practice is that even with very low levels of AMH, it is not possible to conclude that pregnancy cannot be achieved. So, is it still useful? Well, I think it is, because it's well correlated with the number of eggs we expect to collect during an IVF cycle. So you can have an estimation about your chance with IVF and decide about if it's really worth to try IVF abroad or not. As a Medicana IVF center, we do not recommend trying IVF for ladies over 45 with irregular periods and with very, very low AMH levels such as 0.0 something, because you will be coming from a long distance. Anyway, it's certainly your decision, and if you wish to try the most powerful tool, whatever your AMH is, you are always welcome to Medicana IVF Center. We'll definitely try our best for you.